I am Louwrens, and I am a data engineer at Bytefuse, sort of helping everyone pass their data. I guess that's my main thing. All the other guys kind of work on models, trying to get all their agents and their machine learning things going. For me, it's more just aggregating data and feeding it to them, cleaning it up, and making their lives easier. I studied at Stellenbosch University, did electronic engineering, specializing in telecoms, but nonetheless they're already starting to play a bit with data science and machine learning. Then went to work a bit at a corporate, and then after that did my master's in data science, machine learning, but bug bit me even more, and and then corporate was just getting a bit too much. So then the startup life called, and I replied. So freedom to open source technologies, the ability to be able to install something, you see the latest tech online, you use it, and no one bats an eyelid. Where in the corporate world, the processes, the applying for things, a month later, oh yeah, sure, you're now allowed to use this thing, meanwhile that trend has passed, and there's you've kind of missed the ship. So I guess just speed and efficiency, failing fast, that's kind of, I think, the biggest difference. Yes, I can. So Bytefuse, so I think we call ourselves the RL and RL. So reinforcement learning on the one hand and representation learning on the other. So I'm a bit more in the reinforcement learning sphere of things. So that's where we kind of train some agents to do some interesting things by showing a lot of examples in an environment, and it learns by itself. Where representation learning is all about trying to find these latent spaces to try and reduce information into funky dimensions. So Bytefuse in a nutshell, RL and RL. Yeah. Fail fast. Market feedback. Fail fast with market feedback. Especially startup environment. So you're building something again different to the corporate space, where you kind of you got your year goals, and you kind of like trying to tick that box in the year. Where startup, it's you're developing something, you need to get into market quickly, get that feedback. Is this working? Is there appetite for this? Is there product market fit? So I guess just navigating that startup landscape. I enjoy the oddly safe space regarding not being the standard typical startup where we've got a big bunch of money and we're kind of burning through it as fast as possible trying to get to market, but rather taking a bit more of a step approach of trying different markets, seeing if we can find a fit there, if not, kind of pull out, try a different space, and taking a bit more of a corporate approach, high level from a financing point of view, and kind of motivating for budget for certain projects. So I guess that's a nice change. So I am in a band, yes, with the other guy from Polymorph, with an Alphawave as well, Daniel, drummer, and I like myself some Taylor Swift, some hectic pop now and again. On a Monday morning, life gets difficult. Get you peppy. It's good. So yeah, there we go. In a band and Taylor Swift.